I just came home from traveling, I want to go fishing, but I don't have a bicycle. So word on the street is that there's some old bikes in the scrap metal behind me. I'm gonna go through it all, collect some parts and make myself a bicycle. I found a load of bicycle parts. This should be enough to make a bike, so I'm gonna go home, assemble it all, try and make a nice bicycle so I can go to the river and start fishing. I just came from the scrap yard. I got the bike up in the workshop and I'm gonna give it some love. All in all, it's an okay bike. Like, it isn't the prettiest thing I've ever seen. It's fairly heavy, but as long as it gets me to the river, it's all good. And it's free. Free is really good. I don't really like this paint though. You see, it has all these old stickers and they're flaking off a bit and it doesn't really look nice. So I want to make it look nice again, but I don't want to repaint the whole bike. It's gonna take ages. I got an idea. I got this magnet and the magnet doesn't stick to the frame. So basically this means that the frame is made of aluminum and it doesn't rust in the rain. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna strip the entire bike, take the paint off and then give it a nice shine, give it a nice buff. It should be a brand spanking new bike. I'm going to take these pedals off as well. They're pretty old, they're broken, so I'm gonna run to the shop and sort out some new ones. Man, this is gonna take ages. Grinding finished, all the paint is gone and I really like the way the bike came out. Nice and shiny, nice and fresh. Now I need to put a tire on the front because there's no tire here. Front tire done and this one's good. It's full of air, nice and hard. Now I need to do the tire in the back. That one is probably punctured, so it's gonna take a bit more work. Oof, there's a big hole in there. Right there. I'm gonna put a patch on and see if I can fix this. Bit of glue on there. Now this stuff needs to dry before I put on the patch. So a little bit of glue on the patch, and when it's almost hard, put them together. That's solid. Went to the shop, got some new pedals, and these are nice ones. Made of metal, pointy bits, got loads of grip. Perfect. Done. 2 holders for my water bottle. Ta-da! All done. Time for a test ride. I love this bike so much! I'm really happy with the way it turned out. It looks sweet as, and it drives smooth as butter. Now, I hear you wondering, why does this strange guy in his weird outfit go through all the trouble of salvaging and restoring a bike when you can just buy a bicycle for a couple $100? Well, that's just the kind of guy that I am. My whole life I've been taking things apart, fixing, modifying, customizing them. When something is broken, I'll repair it. When there is a problem, I'll find a creative solution for it. And this, more than anything in the world, brings me so much joy. Being able to take care of myself and having my life and all my things exactly the way I want them to be. And being happy with very little in life. This in turn makes me spend very little. And when you don't spend much, you don't have to work much. So I can spend all my life traveling and enjoying life to the fullest. Now, let's get to the river and start fishing.